Ultra Mobile Carrier Honest Review. Watch before using. Ultra Mobile is designed for budget-conscious consumers who prioritize international communication. It offers affordable prepaid plans with unlimited talk, text, and data, plus international calling to over 80 countries, which makes it stand out for travelers or those with family abroad. They use T-Mobile's network, meaning decent nationwide coverage in urban areas, but rural or remote coverage might be hit or miss. Plans range from 1 gigabytes to unlimited data, and while they offer competitive pricing, especially on their multi-month plans, data speeds may throttle after reaching the high-speed cap. One of the key features is the flexibility. You can choose from month-to-month or multi-month plans, allowing more savings if you commit longer. Ultra Mobile also offers a mobile hotspot option, though it's capped on most plans. The target users are those who need reliable international calling and texting without breaking the bank. However, if you heavily rely on high-speed data or need consistent coverage in rural areas, Ultra Mobile might not be the best choice. Customer support is available via phone and chat, but reviews are mixed. Many customers have praised the ease of signing up and managing plans, but have expressed frustration with slow responses or network issues in low coverage zones. In conclusion, Ultra Mobile is a great choice for light to moderate users, particularly those with international communication needs. However, heavy data users or those in less populated areas may want to consider alternatives. Be mindful of potential data throttling and coverage limitations. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly plan with international perks, Ultra Mobile is worth considering.